Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It's Terry Clark, aka Papa 51, bringing you a review of the Smoothie Diet by Drew, who's a health certified coach. We're going to unpack this right quick. We're not going to take too long on this, but I want to bring you this review because I think it was kind of cool to have a smoothie drink that'll help you lose weight in a healthy way. Okay, let's unpack this thing. It has a instant $10 off of a $47 product, which will equal out to $37. Okay, the Smoothie Diet has a video of Drew explaining about his smoothie, how easy it is to make and to help you lose weight. It's delicious, easy to make smoothie for rapid weight loss. Increases energy and while adding incredible health. Okay, let's unpack this. It has, like I said, it has you get $10 off, limited time offer. Uh, was retail at $47, now $37. Now, as you come down, you see that it has women or people who are on the smoothie diet who got wonderful results. Like this one lady, Danielle, lost 8 pounds in 1 week. All these the results may vary. Depends on your size. I mean, when you want to lose weight, folks, if you over a certain amount of weight, you're 200, 300, 400 pounds, you can't expect to get results overnight. But you can get results if you manage your diet. And for what he's talking about, it can be easy just through drinking a smoothie. And you have Sarah who dropped 3 pounds in 3 days. And as you go through the website, you can see the photos of the women that both before and after, from when they got on the smoothie diet plan. You had one lady, Jade, she lost 12 pounds in 21 days. And he does have a 21-day challenge, that if his smoothie doesn't work for you, but it still varies on your size, to a slimmer and sexier you. What makes smoothie diet different? Let's see what he said. This is not just a big book of smoothie recipes. You're getting the same proven 3-week weight loss and health improvement program that he shares with his clients. The secret makes the smoothie diet so effective is custom 3-week weight loss schedule. All the smoothies are given in a very specific sequence and frequency to maximize your results. For example, the nutrition and ingredients ratio vary week to week to make sure weight keeps off and stays off. That's most of the time the problems that many women have once they get on a diet plan and they don't get the results that they have. If they do get results, it's hard for them to keep it off. Okay, Drew is a knowledgeable health coach, and what he's learned from all his clients to make sure the program delivers rapid results, he meticulously researched specific ingredients and nutrition properly to maximize the effectiveness of this program. All you have to do is replace certain meals, which you do have to eat correctly too. You folks, you just can't expect the smoothie to just do it all for you, but the smoothie is going to give you maximize the results to the diet plan that you're on to make it easy for you to rapidly lose weight. With smoothie recipe he provides, and then watches as the pounds melt off effortlessly of your body and your energy level skyrockets. So you get your energy while losing weight at the same time. Because sometimes you can lose weight and try to lose weight and you don't have the energy, to keep things off and keep you motivated. You get everything in here. In just a few moments from now, you'll have access to all the tools you need to lose weight, get healthy, quickly as possible. Nothing is left to chance. Everything is laid out step by step. You can start today, lose weight by tomorrow. It's stretching it, you go to sleep and you lose weight. We know that. But he's saying that, if you stay on it and be consistently, you will see the results by drinking this smoothie. The smoothie diet is a 21-day program. If you're looking for a complete life transformation over the next 3 weeks, then you're in the right place. Whether you need to lose the last 5 to 10 pounds, or you want to get rid of 40 pounds or more, this will work for you. The diet is extremely flexible, so even though this program is 21 days, you can continue using it for as long as you want to lose as much weight as you want. Explained in the course. Dramatic weight loss is only one of the numerous benefits you get from this diet. How would you like more energy, clearer skin, better sleep, sharper thinking, stabilized blood sugar? For folks who got diabetes, you got to watch your blood pressure. You got to watch your sugar and everything, your intake and everything that goes with it. Okay, what's included in this program? You get a full 21-day weight loss and health improvement program, regularly used with his private coaching clients. You get over 36 delicious fat melting meal replacement. Excuse me, folks, I'm kind of tongue-tied. Smooth recipes. Shopping list for each day, so you know what you got to go to the store and get. You don't have to be thinking about it or guessing what you got to get. To make super simple to get everything you need. It's come with tips to make sure there's zero trial and error, and to ensure you spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying new confidence and energy level. And listen here, folks, you get these bonuses. You get a detox too, so that's good too. So now that you get trying to put good stuff in, you get flushing the bad stuff out. Then you get bonus number 2. You get a quick start guide, so you have to be guessing to figure out some things. Whatever you're trying to do, you don't have to try to add something that's not there. You know what I'm saying? It's got a quick start. You get on it. You get your smoothie drinks ready. Everything is prepped for you. You got to think about the recipes in there. Everything delicious, according to what Drew is saying. And it's making it easy for you to lose the weight, and keep it off. People want to keep it off. You want to keep on trying to do the same thing, exercise and everything. You don't see any results. He said you're going to see some results, and within 3 weeks, or sometimes less, depending on your size. Okay, you can lose weight and feel better than you have in years, or it's on me. So he's backing it up with some guarantee, 60-day guarantee. If for any reason you decide this program is not for you, simply drop him an email, let him know, and he'll give you a refund. Every penny without question, without hassle. This is complete risk-free. Then as you go down, you see some more testimonies. You got some video testimony of a mother who lost 70 pounds. Wow. That's a video you should check out and get into before you even think about making the purchase or whatever. At least you'll get some idea that somebody who's been on it that really actually got some results. Then you got a lot of questions and answers. So if you have any, questions, here's some of the basics of what, I need to lose more weight. How do I continue after the 21 days? He's giving you an example of those. Won't I just gain all the weight back? Somebody asked, you got some questions here. So, I have type 2 diabetes. Will this work for me? There's some answers there too. I don't have a lot of time in my day, which most of us don't. We're busy. We got kids. We got work. We're trying to do everything before the day is out, and then put the kids, take them to school, pick them up from school, and trying to take care of your household all at once while trying to stay healthy. You don't need to be trying to be in the kitchen all day trying to cook and make meals and anything. You need something simple that you can sip on or whatever, drink, and just go lay down there and go throughout your day and not to be worried about trying to do all this extra stuff. You know, as you go through the website, it's wonderful to have something like this, and they give you the guarantee. You know, if you're sick and tired of being overweight, having no energy, worried about your health, you know, if you're ready to make a change, try it out. Here it is. It's a 3-week thing. They give you a detox. He's giving you a quick start guide, and plus, and you get the chance to make some delicious smoothie. Be healthy, something that's good. Cause some of these diet stuff is just, you know, off the rails sometimes, and it just make you do some crazy stuff which you don't need to be doing. He has a $10 off a $47 product, which you would pay $37. Check it out, folks. I got a link at the bottom. You can click on and try to see and see if this something that you'll be willing to try. It's easy. It's just smoothie. I mean, you probably making smoothies already. Whether they're good or not, or whether it's healthy or not, you know, it varies. But like I said, there's a link at the bottom. Give it a try. Thank you once again for listening to me. I hope I'm still working on some of my equipment. I'm getting new equipment. I'm trying to work this technology out. You know, first time I'm trying to show my face and everything so people can know I'm a real person. This channel is a real person. I know you see a lot of stuff on my channel that has a lot of bells and whistles, but the information is solid. If you get beyond the bells and whistles, you look into this stuff, I research it. All you got to do is take the initiative to go a little further. I provide the website, provide the material for you guys for whatever you're looking for. I have something there for you. Most of the time, I'm trying some of this stuff. And most of the time, you know, just good information. I try to pass it on, what you should do. I hope this information was good for you. I hope you give it a try. The smoothie diet, the link is at the bottom. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. You can like or dislike. That's fine too. You know what I'm saying? You know, balance is always great too. You know, criticism too comes along with the job. Thank you very much for listening to me, and you enjoy your day. Jerry Clark, Papa 51, signing off.